أعزائي الطلبة، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا بكم في درس جديد من دروس الاستاتيكس. بنشتغل النهاردة مع بعض بنكمل exercise 1-1 on the resultant of two forces meeting at a point. بنبدأ مع بعض ب question 19. فعندنا هنا بنقول إنه two forces of magnitudes F kilogram weight enclosed between them an angle of measure 120. So we have F, two equal forces, and we have the resultant here R. The angle between them is 120 degrees. And if the two forces are doubled, each force F will be 2F, and the measure of the angle between them became 60. So the measure of the two angles equals 60 degrees. Then the magnitude of their resultant increases by 11. The original resultant R will be R plus 11 kilogram weight than the first case here. Find the magnitude of F. Solution. First, we write the rule R equals 2F cosine alpha over 2. Cosine alpha over 2. Here is alpha equals 120, and the magnitude of the force F is F according to the given. So we can say R equals 2F cosine 120 over 2. Just substitute in degrees. So R equals 2F cosine 60, and cosine 60 equals half. That means R equal F. R equal F. Second case, R plus 11 equals 2 multiply 2F. It is the magnitude of the force in this case, cosine 60 over 2. Cosine 60 over 2. And we complete simplify. R plus 11 equals 4F cosine 30, which equal 4F cosine 30 equals root 3 over 2. So we can write R plus 11 equals 2 root 3 F. Divide 2 equal 1, divide 2 equals 2. And this is number 2. From 1 and 2, we have here R equal F. So we can substitute R equal F because the required is the value of F. R plus 11 equals 2 root 3 F. that mean f minus 2 root 3 f equals negative 11. Negative 11. Now taking f as a common factor, 1 minus 2 root 3 equals negative 11. So f equals negative 11 over 1 minus 2 root 3. After you calculate it, it will be 1 plus 2 root 3 kilogram weight. Kilogram weight. Next question, number 20. Two forces of magnitudes 12 and f kilogram weight act on a point. The first force act in direction of east, and the second force acts in direction 60 south of west. First we draw the four directions and we write the four directions. The first force act in the direction of east, 12 to the east. The second force is F, making an angle of measure 60 to the west. What about the resultant? Here they said the line of action of the resultant acts in the direction 30 south of the east. The resultant lies between south and east here, but making an angle of measure 30 with the east, with the second here. So this angle equals 30 degrees, and we write 30. Now here we have the three forces, 1, 2, and this is the resultant. Now we can make some changes, drawing another force 12 parallel to this force. It will be here. Now this is the force of magnitude 12. Okay, we remove it from here. Of course, this force 12 is parallel to this force. Here is the first force of magnitude 12 here, and here is the resultant R, and here we have F. These two angles are alternate, so they are equal in measure. Also, the measure of this angle is 60, and now applied the sine rule, R over sine 60 equals F over sine 30 equals 12 over sine 90. Sine 90 degrees. Cross multiplication. R equal 12 multiply sine 60 over sine 90, and F equals 12 multiply sine 30 over sine 90, and we calculate both. Sine 60 equals root 3 over 2, so the result is 6 root 3. Here the result equals 6 kilogram weight.